Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2016 Lexus NX200t. If you want to exhilarate and up your game for your luxury ride for your SUV, this is definitely the vehicle for you. This one is super clean, super sharp, very sporty, hard angles, hard lines, nothing but sport. Just bleeds from this car. These beautiful finished wheels. Love that hyper gray. Yeah, they're just absolutely gorgeous. 18-inch wheels on this one, and then we get all LED front lighting. So our nice check mark here, LED running lights, and then we got the LED headlights and fog lights as well too. Front and rear park sensors, so parking assist to help you back up against vehicles or pull up to vehicles, because it'll beep at you. It'll tell you how close proximity you are with those sonar buttons in the bumpers, and then all powered by a turbocharged 2.0, just a very fuel efficient, very punchy engine. So you'll see some great power on the low to mid-range, and then it'll get you to that top end very quickly. So nice exterior silver metallic with low profile roof rails with the ability to add roof racks, and then full power options and full safety features. So it has the Lexus safety suite integrated into this one, and power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, and liftgate. So we get a nice full leather interior, two-tone leather. We get that nice perforated material, so that's heated and ventilated front seats. Leather transfers up here to the dashboard, and then the faux carbon fiber. Nice large screen that provides you with all of your infotainment. So that is rear backup camera, navigation system, climate controls, Bluetooth connectivity. We get a nice standard clock here for a little old school touch, and then dual climate controls, and then dual heated and ventilated front seats, all controlled up there. And then down below here we have radio buttons, CD player, multiple drive modes, so eco, sport, and normal. We also get traction control, brake hold, which is the best feature in traffic at a traffic light. And then we get electronic rear parking brake. And then this is our touchpad here. Surprisingly easy to use. You know, very, very easy to use. No issues with that. And that controls everything on the screen. So a couple USB ports, auxiliary connectivity, nice leather here, nice leather on the touchpad, nice and cushioned, and then you even get a personal reflected mirror here. So in case you need to check anything, you get your own personal mirror, dual cup holders, automatic transmission. Comes with the original owner's manual. Cup holders in the doors, nice brushed silver finish around the speakers, power door locks, and automatic across all four doors, up and down windows. So very nice feature. Comes with the factory floor mats, rear air conditioning, rear seat fold down armrest with dual cup holders. It's just nice soft opening. As you can see, those small touches there from Lexus, kudos to them. So this is a folding seat, so you just pull up, it folds flat, and then you also have the ability to fully go into a really nice recline there. So rear seat passengers can enjoy a road trip in this vehicle with that rear seat recline. Four-wheel disc brakes on this one. And then when it comes to safety features, we got blind spot detection, we have front collision assistance, and lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. So again, all there. And then again, a nice little touch, just having the chrome handle, and look, it's a soft close handle. So just small nuances of the luxury vehicle that you just really appreciate when it's pointed out. And then it comes with a spare tire, tools, jack, first aid kit, all from Lexus. That's about a $100 first aid kit, so really enjoy that one. But as you can see, the nice soft close electronic rear liftgate, rear backup camera, the NX200t logo, shark fin antenna for the satellite radio. But I love these hard lines on these taillights. Really a nice sport look. And then four-wheel disc brakes, so plenty of stopping power. And this one's a two-owner vehicle, no reported accidents. So nice clean pedigree. And then I like how they continue the stitching on the top of the door. Again, this feels super nice, super luxury on a nice soft touch supple leather. The seats are beautifully designed. I mean, just every part of the NX is just super, super sporty. So 3 memory seat settings, power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then our power driver's seat. Here on the dash, we have our blind spot detection, parking assist, power lift gate, and front collision. And then we have odometer, trip, and then interior illumination. Electronic tilt and telescopic steering wheel, so it'll come towards you, away from you, up and down, all controlled electronically, which is very nice. And then here on the stocks here, we got automatic headlights, fog lights, and interval front and rear wipers with automatic rain sensing wipers, which is very nice on these Lexuses. Great feature. All in a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunction for stereo, voice command, Bluetooth, the adaptive cruise control, and then just controlling any of the information here up on the dash, and then our cruise control switch there as well. So let's start it up, see how it sounds. Push to start. Everything lights up nicely, nice NX animation there. And then it gives you plenty of information there. Tire pressure, miles per gallon, that's not correct just because we rigorously test drive these vehicles, so that's a little skewed. But you can scroll through tons of messaging to take control of everything about the vehicle. 102,000 original, 200 miles. The park assist light is on. We can turn that on or off, so as you can see there. And then blind spot detection works great. Love that feature. And then the park light's on for the automatic electric parking brake. So as you can see here, we can scroll through and we can go across the nav, the climate, the radio, and you can download the Lexus app suite. So as you can see here, lots to control there for the climate, and then we can go to radio. And we can control all the stations, but very easy to navigate through these buttons, and it vibrates when you touch it and when you scroll over something, so it gives you that good feedback to know where you're at. Home link, auto dimming rear view mirror. Up top we get dual illuminated vanity mirrors, so you can connect your garage door opener to this one, and then you can also download the Lexus Safety Connect. That is a paid subscription feature, but interior illumination room lighting is now touch sensitive, so you just touch those little buttons here and then it illuminates the map lighting. So again, super cool feature there, and I love how everything's LED now. It's what we've always wanted. And here's our rear backup camera. Everything's functioning perfectly. And then it also moves with the steering wheel, as you can see there, left and right. So lots of cool tech, lots of great safety features. It's one of the sportiest, sharpest SUVs on the market today, and it is so reliable. It is so beautiful. It's got only 2 owners, no reported accidents, just over 100,000 miles. Great price. This car is ready to go. Total push to start car, ready to ride and drive, and it is beautiful. So look no further than this beautiful 2016 Lexus NX200. You can find exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.